she always had. Then, I immediately sat up straight and exchanged warm greetings. Si anak ko niya, "Uy, kumusta, Rhea?" Yan na siya, "Successful flight attendant na taon ticket." Kay Bo ka ticket, kauban po naoron silang Mayjoy Abogo o Stephanie Aclon. Puro successful flight attendant na sad. She replied with a very proud smile. I was mesmerized by that view in front of me. Wow! Some of my classmates had already achieved their dreams after 10 years. I was overwhelmed because this was just the beginning of what awaited me back home. Kay abi ninyo, I had vanished for 6 years, immersed in my studies, chasing my dream of becoming a doctor. I deactivated my social media account, disappeared from everyone's lives. And now, finally, I am back. As the airplane landed from Switzerland to Manila, the scent of home filled my lungs. Wow, it's good to be back home, ni anak ko. As I walked my way out of the airport, kita na sa kong familiar na dagway. Looking gorgeous and almost unrecognizable, I approach her as our eyes meet. "Lara?" Yup, it's Lara May Igot, another successful flight attendant from our batch. We exchanged greetings, small talk, and bid farewell as she was about to fly internationally. Her plane was bound to London. Char. As I stepped outside the airport, what did the first thing I do? Well, the first thing that I did was reactivate na to mga Facebook, Instagram, TikTok diha. And as expected, they were flooded with notifications. But one thing caught my attention. The messages from our group chat, CNHS, batch 2024-2025. Yes, usa ka rason nga nung niuli ko sa Pilipinas. But because one of my close friends ingon, "Huy, mag-reunion daw ta after 10 years tang ni graduate." Nya na. Pero na ni message, di niya laki, "Asa ra ka?" Ana, Pau message me. "Oh, sorry, I meant Police Sergeant Russell Lamuco." Yes, you heard that right. She's already a police officer. I can still remember how undecided she was about her future. But now, she has built a stable career and even runs a business selling sports essentials. Napoy another ni chat. Naanak kag Pilipinas kay? Maye seconded in the group chat. Another mistake, I'm sorry. What I meant is Dr. May T. Raut. Already a veterinary doctor, just as she had always dreamed. Right now, she's working at Pendragon Veterinary Clinic in Quezon City. Wow! The two of us are going to Bohol together, Char. Pero, ang grupo, dili kompleto kung wala ang friend na mga tig-scene sa mga messages. Our most successful and inspiring friend, none other than Miss Jessamine Supot. A registered nurse, business owner, and founder of an organization that helps children and the elderly named Seeds of Hope Foundation. Wow. Fast forward to my arrival in Bohol. As I stepped foot around the city, I saw a captivating store with a small billboard outside. The billboard featured the owner of the store, and I realized that it was none other than one of my batchmates from 10 years ago, Crizel Joy Madronero. A successful boss lady with her own salon, cafeteria, and shop. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without her boyfriend. Wow, after 10 years, sila gihapon. John Clarence Lumio, now a successful and accomplished seaman, providing a comfortable life for his family. Across the store ni Crizel, naayit ako kayong Hotel de Luna, owned by none other than Miss Claire Kahanap. Hours later, kita na ko sa mga tao nga aw ang kauban paniod to. Ay, smile na ko dayon. As I entered smoke bar or bistro diha sa Tagbilaran, I saw in the middle of the restaurant none other than my besties, Ivy Grace Sigonia and Anna Marie Piviter. They look sharp and commanding in their uniforms, both police officers now. Sa diyang istorya-istorya may pila ka oras catching up on life, ingon si Ivy, "Uy, kay mo ka, Kate? Daghan na dyan mo classmate nga nagkasakay or nakatrabaho na sa cruise ship." Yan ako, "Pag-sure, oy, kinsa man sila niya, isa po kakaibaw ron." Tubag si Aning, "Wapaday ka kita sa bagong vlog ang Sir Brian?" Nay, dagang video sila about ato. A Sir Brian Manggod, ni sakay yung cruise ship. Unya, kita nilang tanan ato. Ningana po ko, "Hi, after 10 years, kita gya po'y content ang Sir Brian." As we watch Sir Brian's vlog together, we couldn't help but smile as familiar faces appeared on the screen. Na silang Charlene Magdua, Dayan Malaran, Trixie Namilit, Jirin Rose Paluga, Astili sa Lagos Tinaghanan nila, Jessamay Tagutungan, Valerie Villahermosa, Kimberly Ake, Grizel Ann Lozano, Chef John Hillary Hampak, and Keith Darren Rautraot. Thriving as waiters, chefs, and receptionists aboard a cruise ships. Wow, kuyawa naman yung batch na mo kay halos na mas barkutanan. Pwede na guro milibrihon, ani nila mo sa kay cruise ship. Oh, ato na sa cruise ship mag-reunion. Pero ni katawas Ivy, yun siya, "Nakit, ug magkaingon kag halos na nas barkutanan, samot na bagha po mga nahimo ng seaman sa atong batch." Kinsa ka ni sila? Yan ako, "Wow, seaman, mamords naman dyan, oy, kinsa manon sila?" Huna-huna sila, kinsa ganitong mga nasiman? Anak sila. As I beg, "Uy, si Jun Mark Akla." Suhari Anit, Vincent Ibarli, o JM Lagunda. Puro na ni sila mga chief engineer sa barko. Si Warly Torio, hapit na makapitan. Si Jeremy Gallegos, Nico Mesagrande o J. Lord Sigla, kay mga kapitan na dyan sa barko. Si manapod si Elvin Paluga, Christian Dave Pagon, Mark Anthony Ocol, Jeffrey Madronero o Kenneth Kagulang. Wow, panghatag mo kuan chocolate. Si Bryce James Tagab ug si Juni Kagaanan kay puro na electrical engineer sod sa barko. Wow. Unya, si Hamin Piro, mechanical engineer sa barko pod. Anak ko, hoy murag makuyawan man tani nila kay murag nagsingabot naman. Nanggisabot man ni sila nga manakay og barko tanan. Mura man og nang laagad, hoy magsiman ta. Oh, siman ta. Siman pod sila tanan. After nga nag-catch up namin ni Aning o ni Ivy, nagka-decide nga, shopping ta daw sa ta, Morris Bukid. As we stroll around Shark, we unexpectedly ran into someone. It's none other than Angel Tundag. Nga, kauban niya, "Hey, taas-taas ng bata." Then I mean, oh my God, si Kalil! Oh my God, 11 years old na si Kalil! O si Angel, karon a business owner, had a built up life for herself and of course her handsome little one. Hi, time truly flies. Kaming tulong Ivy ug Aning, as we headed home together, kalabay may Dimiao Plaza, kay manakayan guro may sibin-sibin. Sa atubangan sa San Nicolas de Tolentino nga simbahan, nami nakitaan, nag-practice og banda. Pero sa atubangan sa banda nami nakitaan, guiding them with precision was none other than our musically gifted batchmate, Mr. Nino Chico Hamisola. Usan niya siya ka-season drum and bugle corps pioneer. Dool adto sa plaza, di ba na'y talisay? Uwi pa ng talisay 10 years from now, ha? Namin nakita ang babae nga, nakasuot og scrubs uniform, you know, a doctor. Anak ko ba, kisa man ni siya familiar lagi. Og sakto yun ko. It was none other than Dr. Ann Raven G. Tapot. Just like me on her path to becoming a successful doctor. Fast forward ta, 1 week later, me and my friends needed a break. Kinsa karon nga mga friends. A much needed escape. So kami sa akong mga friends, nagplano mi nga mo adto may the one and only ever breathtaking Pahangog Twin Falls in Dimiao. Pagabot na mo sa Pahangog, nainiyana nga laki nga, Ma'am, ipaila-ila ta mo sa among head tour guide. None other than Joel Gamale. Grabe. Sa katong nakita namin sa, wow, very beautiful gyapon ang Pahangog. Kita may duha ka familiar faces. Grabe, nagkagwapa man ni silang duha. Marag inosente dyan mo ni silang naong atong grade 12 pa may ba? None other than the ever beautiful Miss Alisa Faye Gamutin and Miss Priscel Gamayon. Still inseparable after all these years. Puro best friends. Now both thriving in their careers as educators. Si Alisa, maupapoy pag-abot gikan og Canada as a successful teacher. Si Priscel kay Bomo, principal na. One by one, more batchmates, more friends arrived. There was Jewel May Okulam, now a computer engineer. Angel